So I have a little photo shoot that I need to do, and I don't really wear makeup, but I have decided that I want to try hold on, just to put a little something to give it a little like a different look. So I went to Sephora, I get a few things, and we're going to try them together. So I'm going to go and do my normal skincare, like, you know, the serum, moisturizer, stuff like that, and then we're gonna go in with the makeup. I have my toner that I'm gonna use first. And I'm gonna go in with my serum. I usually use a serum booster as well. And then we're gonna do the moisturizer. Okay, so I'm not gonna do sunscreen because the stuff that I got from Sephora, they have like sunscreen on it. So here's everything that I got from Sephora. This one is a skin tinted. It has sunscreens on it, and then this is concealer. Okay, and then I have the blush, kind of like a powder kind of thing. Okay, so this is all I got, and then I get the brush to go with them, so everything is new. That lady was really nice. Okay, we are going to ignore my toddler. He refused to leave me alone to do this. So this is the concealer. My eyebrow first. Well, I can just do it after.
gloves will protect your hands.
I don't know if this is, I don't know. I trusted her to give me the right colors, the right match for my skin tone. So we shall see. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm blending it.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Are you gonna touch it?
Huh?
I have to touch it.
I'm not gonna put it in the face.
Mommy.
Yes. Huh? I think next time I should put a little bit more of concealers around this side. Pat it. But I think I like it. It doesn't change me to a drag queen, which is great. So this, the like applicator that I was supposed to get, she told me not to get it at Sephora because at Amazon I can get like 6 of them for like $5. I did, I ordered it, and then it keep getting delayed, so it's not here. So I am going to, let's see if I number 65. This is this one. You're supposed to use the thing to pat it in your face, which I don't have, so I'm gonna use the same brush just to kind of like, not too much, give me a little color. But I like it. I think this is something that I can do. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? My goodness. And look pretty. Tia, you like it? You like mommy's makeup?
Makeup?
Yeah, I did makeup. You like it? See my makeup? You like it? Don't drop it, sweetie. Thank you, my love. I like it.
Did you work?
It looks good to you. Yes, baby. Yes. Lipstick. I think this is very good. I like it. I like the look. It's not like over, like, you know, screaming, I'm wearing makeup, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like, I think it looks good. I look like myself. It was a really good experience. That lady take her time to find me the right color for my face and then show me how to use it. So I had a really good experience. It's not a store that I ever go before. That was my first time, so I love it. Please let me know how I did, and let me know if there's something that I could have done better. Yeah, I love it. I think it looks very natural, and especially this style that I have for my hair. I did not record that style, but anyway, thank you for watching. Please give me any tips that you might have for like makeup. I think this is something that I can wear, like, you know, here and there, not every day. I can't wear this every day, but I think once in a while I can do something like that. So if you have any tips, please let me know. I'd love to. I think it looks good, but if there's a way to make it look better, I'll take it. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.